Welcome to Master Wealth, your guide to financial success. In this video, we'll explore 7 practical methods to save and grow your money. Whether you're a seasoned saver or just starting, these strategies will help you master your wealth. But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay updated with our latest content. Let's get started. Save your loose change. Are you ready to take your first step toward financial mastery? It's as simple as saving your loose change. You might think it's impossible to save significant money by collecting loose change, but it's an excellent start. Think about it. You make daily purchases, and every transaction leaves some change behind. Over time, these small amounts add up. Even saving just $50 a year can help you build a $500 emergency fund, providing peace of mind for unexpected financial hurdles. Don't underestimate this straightforward technique. It can yield surprisingly satisfying results. Apply the 24-hour rule. Impulse buying often leaves us wondering, why did I purchase this? To overcome this habit, apply the 24-hour rule. The concept is simple. When you want to buy something, give yourself 24 hours to think it over. You spot a gorgeous pair of shoes in the store and feel an instant urge to buy them. But hold on, give it a day to reconsider. Tomorrow, you might realize that they're not a necessity after all. Preventing impulsive purchases not only saves money, but also improves your shopping habits. It's a win-win situation. Turn your bad habits into savings. Now, let's discuss a method that not only helps you save money, but also transforms your lifestyle. It's about turning your bad habits into savings. For every bad habit you want to break, assign a fixed amount as a penalty. Whether it's arriving late or skipping the gym, set the penalty amount yourself. The crucial part is not to lower the penalty amount or make excuses. If you slip up, you pay the fine. Over time, this method will help you abandon your bad habits while saving money. It's a win-win. You kick bad habits and grow your savings. Pay yourself first. Pay yourself first is a method that ensures you save a portion of your income before spending it elsewhere. David Chilton, author of The Wealthy Barber, suggests saving 10% of your income. However, it's essential to assess your monthly expenses to determine the ideal savings percentage. Once you decide, create a separate account and consistently set aside the money. You can choose a 401k, Roth IRA, or traditional IRA to watch your savings grow tax-free. Have a no-spend month. Challenge your shopping and buying habits with a no-spend month. It may sound daunting, but the results are worth it. For 30 days, make a promise to buy only necessities. Adjust your lifestyle, walk or bike to work, cook simple homemade meals, and cut back on entertainment expenses. While it may be challenging, a no-spend month can open your eyes to new opportunities and lifestyles. The benefits go beyond saving money. You might lose weight, improve your digestive system, and change your life for the better. Buy and save. The buy and save method helps you save money while tracking your expenses, making it ideal for those who tend to spend generously. Here's how it works. Save a percentage of every purchase. For instance, if you decide to save 10% of each buy, a $30 sweater purchase would contribute $3 to your savings. This may seem small, but consider how it accumulates. If you spend $150 a month, you'll have $180 in savings over a year. You can set aside money for each purchase and be in control of your spending habits. Save in stages. Now, let's discuss a more structured approach to saving. Save in stages. It's a commitment that takes a full year, but the results are rewarding. This method involves saving more each week than you did the previous week. Start with a small amount, like $5, and gradually increase it. By the end of the year, you will have saved a substantial amount. It's essential to stick to the plan, gradually increase your savings, and watch your wealth grow. Bonus: the power of compound interest. We can't conclude without discussing the incredible power of compound interest. Albert Einstein once called it the most powerful force in the universe. Compound interest is the interest or investment returns earned on your savings. By understanding and harnessing this force, you can turn your savings into substantial wealth. Remember, those who understand it earn it, and those who don't end up paying it. So what's your biggest purchase regret? Share it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe to Master Wealth for more valuable content.